What is going on here? What is going on? What is going on here in Sisaket? Let's see, huh? I will tell you what is going on. They are collecting the rice with a very modern machine, and I'm very surprised what kind of machine they have here. Where is it? Ah, it's okay. I will then show you later a little bit, but here is the rice field from the family, and it's actually one of the best thing what you can do here in Thailand. Just work with what they have here, rice and all this kind of stuff, you know, cows and whatever. They can do a little bit money. And normally when someone collect for the farmer the rice, they will take two let's say 70%, something like this, and 30% goes to the farmer, to the owner. I mean, they do that everything, you know, the merchandising, and I mean they do really everything. So the farmer has to do nothing actually. So you can only collect the money and finish. So this is one option, and the other option, if the farmer do everything and just pay this guy for collecting the rice, you know, and then it's different, you know. But anyway, so welcome back to my channel, and yeah, we are just doing a little bit gardening again, because it's a never-ending story. Also, if you can see, it's yeah, it's a very big place here to work on it, and we just buy some trees also, and yeah, my wife, she is very in for these kind of things. Me, I'm a little bit let's say like this, I'm more digital than something else. Yeah, so we will put the rice here. Cup. And yeah, I buy today also in not I buy today, but today came the stuff that I buy from Lazada and Shopee. They are both good actually. Both platforms, they are okay. They're working very good. And so I will show you. I buy these two compost boxes, and they are also good quality, yeah, very good quality, like in Switzerland. We have the same hard plastic, you see. You just put in the compost here, close, wait 1 year, and you have very good earth for gardening. And then I buy also for doing gym. So I start to set up my gym here at home. It's not everything but what I order, but it will come step by step then. Yeah, and here they're still collecting. And today I was also in Uthumphon Phisai. Sometimes these names. I went there with the father-in-law to the clinic, and so I had a little bit time, and so I went to visit the railway station of Uthumphon Phisai, and I will show you now this. Let's go there now. Okay, let's check the rice, what they collected. Here is Vladimir, he's our supervisor. And here is the rice. Ooh. You see? It's from our farm, the rice. Very nice. So that's it from Thailand. I wish you a wonderful day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.